Hi, it's George again over at eimports4Less. Here today filming a short video about a vehicle that was just traded into us this morning. What we've got here is a 2018. This is a Volkswagen Atlas. This is their large third row seat SUV. This is an SEL Premium with a V6. Let's take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about it. You can see the exterior color on this one is black. Interior is also black. Car has great equipment. So it's an SEL Premium model. It's got navigation, backup cam, side view cams, blind spot assist, Fender audio. You can see that panoramic big moonroof up there. Again, black car, black interior. Second row seats in this one are the bucket seats. Makes it nice and easy to get into that third row. And condition is excellent. Nothing really to talk about condition-wise. Tires have been replaced recently, so nice shape there. Let's take a look at the interior. And we're out here in the bright sunlight today, so may not be able to see a whole lot, but you'll see it's got a really nice wood trim in here. It's in really great shape, just obviously needs to be cleaned, something that we haven't detailed or really touched yet. So black car, black interior. Let's take a look at this back seat. Can't really see much, but you can see those are the buckets. Third row seat is back here. You can see the panoramic moonroof, basically the full size of the roof. And all the exact options, you know, mileage, Carfax, auto check, all that stuff, all that info will be out there on the website within a day or so at eimports.com. If you're interested in more information on this one, you want to own it before somebody beats you to it, give a call here to the dealership at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.